Bay windows have long been admired for their elegance and functionality, and it's easy to see why they remain a popular choice among homeowners in Lafayette. With their distinctive three-panel design that extends outward from the home, bay windows create additional space, invite natural light, and enhance both interior and exterior appeal. If you're considering upgrading your windows, here's why bay windows continue to stand out in Lafayette homes. Expanding your living space. One of the biggest advantages of bay windows is the extra space they create. Because they project outward from the home, they add dimension to a room without requiring a full renovation. In living rooms, bay windows can form a cozy reading nook or additional seating area. In dining spaces, they create a bright, inviting corner that feels open and welcoming. Even in bedrooms, they provide extra room for a bench or decorative storage. For Lafayette homeowners who want to make their interiors feel larger and more functional, bay windows offer a practical and stylish solution. Bringing in abundant natural light can transform the look and feel of a home. Bay windows are designed with multiple glass panels that allow sunlight to enter from different angles. In Lafayette, where sunny days are common, bay windows help brighten interiors and reduce reliance on artificial lighting. This increased daylight can make rooms feel more spacious, cheerful, and inviting. Modern bay windows also include energy-efficient glass options that minimize heat gain while maximizing light, keeping your home comfortable even during warmer months. Enhancing curb appeal from the outside, bay windows add architectural character that instantly enhances curb appeal. Their dimensional design creates visual interest and makes a home stand out in the neighborhood. In Lafayette, where homeowners take pride in well-maintained properties, bay windows can elevate the overall appearance of your home. Whether your house features a traditional or contemporary style, bay windows add elegance and charm. This exterior upgrade not only improves aesthetics but can also increase property value. Improving ventilation and airflow. Bay windows typically include a large fixed center window flanked by two operable side windows. These side windows often open outward or slide, allowing for ventilation. This design allows fresh air to flow into your home from multiple directions. In Lafayette's warm climate, improved airflow helps maintain indoor comfort during milder seasons. By combining fixed and operable panels, bay windows offer both expansive views and practical ventilation. Increasing home value. Home upgrades that improve both function and appearance are often appealing to future buyers. Bay windows are considered a desirable feature because they enhance living space, light, and overall design. In Lafayette's housing market, homes with well-designed architectural details often attract more attention. Installing bay windows can make your home more competitive if you decide to sell in the future. Customization to fit your style. Bay windows are highly customizable. Homeowners can choose from various frame materials, finishes, grid patterns, and glass options to match their home's design. Whether you prefer a classic white frame or a bold modern accent, bay windows can be tailored to complement your aesthetic. A timeless choice for Lafayette homes. Bay windows combine beauty, functionality, and long-term value, making them a popular choice among Lafayette homeowners. They expand interior space, increase natural light, improve ventilation, and enhance curb appeal all at once. If you're looking for a window upgrade that makes a noticeable difference both inside and out, bay windows offer a timeless solution that adds charm and comfort to your Lafayette home.